Hello, it's Phillip Taylor speaking from Richmond Green Chambers, and I'm looking today at a publication from Law Society Publishing. It's this one here. It's called Lexcel Business Continuity Planning Toolkit, and it's part of the Practice Management Standards series from the Law Society, very much designed to help you with your practice. There's some blurb on the back. It's a very light book, paperback, 80 pages in total. It's the last page. You've got a nice little CD-ROM to go with it, and you've got a very useful glossary, in fact, right at the back, of terms that you may not be quite so familiar with. I mean, the classic one they start off with is app, for application. But I think we probably know what that is today. Now, what is this toolkit and what's it really about for you? Well, we've given it the title, For the Busy Law Practice, the Basics of Business Continuity Planning in accordance with Lexcel V4 Standard. And this is what we say, be it fire, flood, IT breakdown, negligence or crime, any emergency that overtakes your law practice can be expensive. Yes, you will have insurance, but you may still lose considerably in terms of those all-important fee-earning hours while things are being put right. And this is where this bit of foresight comes in, if you like. The sensible way forward, then, for any practice is to implement a continuing program of business continuity planning, or BCP. The concept began with the increasing importance of and dependence upon IT systems, and then it's broadened into contingency planning for management and staff problems. In other words, the people element being vital to the success of your firm's business. So if you need any examples, just check out the case studies in the excellent Lexcel Toolkit series from Law Society Publishing. And don't worry, because they're very brief. And these anecdotes we find are chillingly illustrative as they are. They are anonymous, but they are also relating to particular situations which you could be faced with yourself, which have actually happened, of course, in law firms or organisations within the legal sector. Each is followed by a learning point, which we would be tempted to call the morale, or rather the moral, of the story. Business continuity planning, therefore, is part of any well-organised and well-observed risk management programme, and it does link in with other of the Lexcel toolkits. The implementing of such a programme is made much easier for your practice with this succinct paperback and the CD, which I think you will also find of great help. And it's designed to help you identify and manage areas of risk. And it also will, of course, help you comply with Lexcel. Like the other wildly popular toolkits, the book and CD have a pack of wealth of information and resources in a compact and concise format, which I think is quite helpful for everyone. It provides essential time-saving templates covering business continuity plans and risk registers and so forth, to things like emergency evacuation procedures and incident forms, which links in nicely, of course, with health and safety and some of the other toolkits. It's got a plain English approach too, which I rather like, because that makes it, I think, quite user-friendly for anyone reading it. Let me just say that Lexcel also produce a separate risk management toolkit, which we've actually reviewed separately. And I'd certainly suggest that the well-run practice today should have both of these in their law library, so that it will assist both the legal and the non-legal staff that you have in your firm. Anyway, thank you very much to Law Society Publishing and all those involved in producing this excellent toolkit. Bye-bye.